I've manually put it back on its docking station, but as you can see, the white light is staying on. Now for the last year, as I've had it, the white light dims, which means it's charging. And I had this problem 2 weeks ago. For 2 days, it wouldn't charge and the robot became flat, and all of a sudden it started working again. And I've just used it again, and as you can see, during this conversation or me talking, the white light has not changed. I'll move it off. There's nothing blocking the sensors, and I'll push it back on again. Nothing, see? The light just stays on. There's something wrong with this docking station. I've unplugged it, I've refreshed it, I've uninstalled the app, reinstalled the app. Nothing's working. The robot, the vacuum cleaner is working fine, but the docking station is not working, as you can see. As you can see, the white light is still on, but it's drained it so much, although it's been connected to it, as you can see, can't push it anymore. It is dead, completely dead, because the base is not charging it up. I've got both hands on it. See? It's not working at all. As you can see.
Powering on. Network connecting. Wi-Fi connection successful.